you guys. In today's video, we're going to do a wig install. Now this is going to be a reinstall. So before we get started, let me go ahead and give you some details about the unit. As you can tell by the title, this unit does come from the Kam Skyy Extension collection. The link to this unit will be in the description box below. This is the 13x4 Swiss lace frontal wig, and it is in the 22-inch length. Now before we started this whole process, we did shampoo and condition the unit. You don't want no smelly units on your head when you're doing the reinstall. So after the shampoo and conditioning of this unit, we did let it air dry overnight. Now that the unit is dry, I'm just going in and flat ironing a little bit. As I mentioned, it is a reinstall, so it does have baby hairs. I don't want those in the way when we relay this thing so it doesn't get stuck in any glue. So as you can see here, we're just going in with the flat iron to make sure those baby hairs are completely out of the way. We also going to use a little bit of mousse just to mold them in place. We're going to go back in and pluck it just a little more. Again, reinstall, so the unit was already plugged. We're just going to go in here and touch it up a little more. Got the plucking done. Again, just a little bit of mousse to make sure those baby hairs are in place before we lay her down. And as you can see here, guys, we are doing the ball cap method. Here we're just adding a little foundation to that ball cap just to give it a natural blend. Once we get the foundation on, we are going to go in with some lace gel and some lace cream. And we're just going to put that around the ball cap just to make sure it is laying flat. Here you can see there's a little bit of the ball cap rolling, so we're just going to cut that off. Once we get that cut off, we're going in with that lace cream. And then we're going to blow dry. Now we're going to get this a little tacky, and once we get it tacky, it's time to put that wig on and install it. Going back in with some of that lace gel. We're also going to use a little bit of the lace bonding spray as well on here. So one more layer of this lace gel. We're going to get that a little tacky. Blow dry that a little bit. The comb here to make sure that lace is sticking to the glue. once we get that lace, we're just going to go back in and touch up any lace we see coming up with some of that bonding spray. Once we get everything touched up, we're just going to tie it down for a couple of minutes. As you can see here, I'm just going in. We're going to do a little side part today on this unit. So I'm going in, making my part. Once I get that part how I want it, I am going to go back in with a little more of the mousse to mold that part into place. And we're just going to touch it up again with a hot comb. I'm laying the baby hairs that was already here previously as well. And once I get those baby hairs laid, we're just going to tie it back down. And guys, I'm going to show you what this wig looks like straight and curly. So watch to the end. I'm going to show you the straight look first. This is what she looks like worn straight. And then if you keep watching, I'm going to put a little curls in it and I'm going to show you what it looks like curly. Curls in there, not many. I just want to show you guys this unit looks great anyway, either way you wear it, straight or curly. Again, if you're looking for a good unit at an affordable price that's not gonna break the bank, check out that description box below. This video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also leave a comment if you like the content. You guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Stay blessed and enjoy the rest of your day.